Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battle in Hell's Paradise game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, keep stopping, not working, or several other issues on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, you have to go to the App Store and in the search option, search for Battle in Hell's Paradise game, and after that here you have to open it and check if any update is available for the game. If there is any update available, update your game to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to clear cache of the game. So for that you have to go to settings. After that go to general, click on iPhone storage. Now search for the game, click on the arrow icon, click on offload app and then click on offload. So this will clear the cache of the game and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check if your internet connection is stable or not. So if you're using Wi-Fi, then you can restart your router and check it, or you can move to mobile data or do vice versa and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, you can install a VPN app to access the game. For that go to App Store and here in the search option you have to search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. So install any one of it and after installing it you have to log into it, change the location and after that check if the game is launching or not. Next is to check for OS update. So for that you have to go to settings. Here you have to click on general, then click on software update and here you have to check if your iPhone OS needs any kind of update. So as you can see, an update option is available over here. You have to simply click on update now and once you update your iPhone OS to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to delete the game or uninstall the game. So for that click and hold the game icon. Now click on remove app and then click on delete app. So after this and click on delete. Once you have done this, again go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game. Search for the game over here. And after that again click on install option or get option and after that check if the game is launching or working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.